The best Lloyds Bank overdraft option starts with understanding how Lloyds structures its overdraft fees and limits. Lloyds offers a simple, transparent overdraft system designed to help customers manage short-term cash flow gaps without hidden charges. With a Lloyds arranged overdraft, customers are charged a single daily interest rate rather than multiple fees. The current rate is around 39.9% EAR, calculated daily based on how much of the overdraft is used. This means if you dip into $100, you only pay interest on that amount and only for the days it's used. There are no monthly usage fees, no unpaid item charges, and no overdraft setup costs, which makes it easier to control spending. The best overdraft option with Lloyds is an arranged overdraft agreed in advance through online banking or the Lloyds mobile app. Arranged overdrafts usually come with higher limits, better predictability, and less financial stress compared to unarranged overdrafts. Limits vary based on credit history and income, but many customers receive limits ranging from $250 to $2,000. Students and graduates benefit from special Lloyds overdraft accounts that offer interest-free overdrafts up to certain limits. Student accounts can provide up to $1,500 interest-free, while graduate accounts gradually reduce the interest-free portion over time. These accounts are the strongest overdraft option for eligible users because they eliminate interest completely within the approved limit. Managing a Lloyds overdraft effectively means using it as a short-term buffer, not a long-term loan. Lloyds provides real-time balance alerts, spending insights, and overdraft calculators to help customers stay in control and avoid unnecessary interest charges. For flexibility, clarity, and digital control, the best Lloyds Bank overdraft option is an arranged overdraft tailored to your account type, with student and graduate overdrafts offering the highest value due to their interest-free structure.